Hi guys, welcome back to TipRanks. My name is Annika and here at TipRanks we love to hear what different stocks you're looking at and your opinions on the market sentiment. Today we're going to look at Salesforce as there has been some really cool news that's taken place for the Salesforce stock. In fact, some huge partnerships with Alibaba and PayPal. Now, before we jump into this video, guys, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Salesforce is headquartered in San Francisco in California, and it provides cloud-based software for customer management. I'm really bullish on the Salesforce stock. I have made videos on them before, and also in my old job before I became a YouTuber, I have actually used Salesforce in my previous role, and it really helped organize the company's funds and what sort of deal flow was coming in, whilst giving the right analytical tools for each member of that company. So I am Exhibit A as someone who has used Salesforce and realizes the potential of their product offering. And today's technology companies, even whether they're the biggest or the best ones, cannot succeed alone. In cloud or elsewhere, it really helps having strategic partnerships, and it also improves investor confidence. Salesforce is known for its market presence in cloud computing, as well as digitized customer relations solutions. The partnerships that have taken place with Alibaba and PayPal, which we will go into in a second, will really thrust Salesforce into the lucrative world of e-commerce more than it already has been. The current price for Salesforce, which has a ticker CRM, is $207.90. The analyst rating consensus is a strong buy based on 27 ratings, with 23 a buy and 4 a hold. The analyst price target is $333.17, which is a 60.25% upside based on 27 Wall Street analysts offering price targets. Now, these two value-added collaborations with Alibaba and PayPal could provide a timely turnaround for downtrodden investors in this year. So as we know, Alibaba is the most well-known e-commerce platform in China in terms of size, capital, reserves, and customer base. Alibaba is a giant in the region. In fact, I was really surprised that this news item wasn't more widely reported in the media. Apparently, Salesforce and Alibaba Cloud have been working towards an agreement to launch a service called Salesforce Social Commerce. So together, Salesforce and Alibaba will bring Salesforce's #1 CRM platform, which includes Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and Salesforce platform to customers in mainland China, Hong Kong, Macau, and Taiwan. Alibaba has advanced secure infrastructure and knowledge of these markets, and this will empower their global customers with a solution that meets local business needs. If you think about it, China is the world's largest retail market. And Salesforce points out that the line between e-commerce and social platforms is often blurred. In other words, Chinese shoppers are ready for an e-commerce service with a social angle. So in a perfect partnership, Salesforce Social Commerce will be built and hosted on Alibaba Cloud to target China's vast e-retail market. Unfortunately, we do not have details regarding the Salesforce Social Commerce. But the Salesforce Chief Business Officer Ryan Ate did reveal that the service will enable companies to manage and unify their first-party commerce experiences, from websites to social applications, to gain a 360-degree view of their customers. And in addition to this, Salesforce is expanding its business relationship with one of the biggest players in the digital payment space, with PayPal, and the ticker is PYPL. So essentially, through Salesforce Payments, merchants will be able to add helpful and convenient PayPal-branded buttons to their e-commerce experience. This will essentially provide access to a range of PayPal payment offerings, including Venmo, PayPal Credit, and PayPal's Buy Now, Pay Later products. This is truly a win-win for everyone involved, as merchants who integrate through Salesforce will join PayPal's more than 416 million active account holders who are part of the PayPal network. It also gives the shoppers greater flexibility and choice in how they pay online, so merchants could potentially broaden their customer base, increase their conversion rates, and turn one-time shoppers into repeat customers. Now, taking a look at Salesforce's strong Q4 2021 results. Fourth quarter revenue was $5.82 billion, and this was up 20% year over year. They had an operating margin of 2.1%, and they raised their Q1 2022 revenue guidance to approximately $5.875 billion to $5.885 billion, and this is up approximately 21% year over year. Their earnings per share have been 28 cents, and they have a significant cash balance with a cash generated from operations in the fourth quarter of $2.17 billion, and this was an increase of 33% year over year. The total cash and cash equivalents and marketable securities ended the fourth quarter at $11.97 billion. It seems like even TipRanks investors are very positive. The TipRanks Smart Score is an 8 in that Salesforce is likely to outperform the market. Analyst ratings deem it to be a strong buy. Blogger opinions are bullish and the news sentiment is neutral. Hedge fund activity has also increased, despite technicals being negative for the past 20 days. Salesforce is also launching exciting new things. They are having a Salesforce NFT cloud service. This could mean that marketers on the fence of whether they should get into the NFT game could have support if their business is a Salesforce customer. It seems like Salesforce is keeping ahead of the times. They are adapting to industry trends, increasing partnerships, as well as expanding their product range. Leave your thoughts in the comments below of what you guys think of Salesforce. And if you made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button and that subscribe button and that bell notification so that you get informed on when the TipRanks channel releases a video. Remember, this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!